Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, today on Monday, July the 26th, 2021, we have a new edition with extra puzzles, an additional with a letter Sudoku, or 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, and a 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a binary puzzle and a tectonic one with 1 star. Total of 6 extra puzzles, and I won't do them all. Only 3 of them, the half of the puzzles, I will solve. And those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and a tectonic one. Yes. First, I will solve this 3 stars puzzle, and this will be a number 3152. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. This one has 25, but you cannot always say a 25 printed digit puzzle is easier than a 24 printed digit puzzle. It's a 4-star. Sometimes a 4 stars I'm faster than a 3 stars. It depends if you have a lot of pairs or you have hidden numbers, then it's difficult to solve. All right, so let's get started. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 fours. Let me start with the 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. No. Need to wait. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Then. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there's 7. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. No. 1, 2. The 3 and the 5 are missing. 3 and a 5, let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 5. Alright. Then. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. The other 2 numbers in the middle column are the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then. Let me see. All right. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. We have a pair. 1 and an 8 in this column. 1 and an 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 6. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 6 in this box. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Okay. Then. Yeah. Yeah. 5. Come on. It's taking too long. 1. Okay, we have 8 there. 8. 8. 4. 4, yeah. 8, 1. I'm thinking. Yeah. 3. 7, yes. We have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 3. We see a 7 and a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 7 and a 3 in this box. We see here 7 and a 3 in the first column. So no 7 and a 3 in that box. So the 7 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 3. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 9, 5, 2. 9, 5, 2. Okay. 9, 9. 2, 4. 2, 4. And a 5. 2, 4 and a 5. 2, 4 and a 5. No. Okay. 9. Do I have all the 7s? No. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. three missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Alright. 3, 5, 6, 5, 5, 5, 5. Let me think. 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. And look, we have a 6 and a 3 here in the first column. So no 6 and a 3 in this box. The 6 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 3, we see there another 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 2. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 9 and 2. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Okay. Okay. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2. I think the 3 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9 are missing. 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6 and the 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3 is missing. Alright. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are not used. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 9. Now I can count, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Alright. 1 number left in this row. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. Yeah. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 5 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers are 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And I have minutes to solve this in 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the second Sudoku in this additional 4-star Sudoku. So see you then. Bye-bye for now.